Hey guys, I just put up a short about how to make these cute little hearts, but just in case the short wasn't, clear enough, or you're new to crocheting and you didn't get the instructions that quickly, here is a quick video that shows you how to make these cute little 4-minute hearts. And if you like them and you find the video useful, obviously like and subscribe. But today we're asking for something special. Me and my husband are doing a Leaders of Impact campaign with the American Heart Association. And if you like the video, I'll put a link in the comments. If you could make even $1 donation or $5 donation to the American Heart Association, would love you forever. But here's how you make these hearts with a little more detail. All right, so all you're gonna do is make your slip knot. And again, as usual, if I'm going too fast, that's okay, because I have tutorials on how to do all these stitches on my channel. So you make your slip knot, tighten it down, and all you're gonna do is make 4 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you've got this little chain here, and you're gonna just slip stitch from this end to this end. So you're gonna just stick your hook right in that very first chain you did, loop over, pull it through, and pull it through there. And so now you've got this little tiny circle. You're gonna chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and then it's a pattern. You're gonna do 3 triples into the middle of this circle. So 1 triple, 2 triples. You just keep going into the middle of this circle that you made with those 4 little chains. And now a 3rd triple, same thing, into the middle of that circle. Now you're going to do the same thing, but instead of triples, you're going to switch to double crochets, and you're going to make 3 of those into the middle of the circle. Now make sure you're going into the middle of the circle rather than into one of these other holes you've made. Okay, so do a double. 1, another double. So that will make 2 doubles, and you need a 3rd double right into the middle of that circle. Okay, so that's one side of your heart. Now you're going to do the point of the heart, and do the point. To do the point, all you're going to do, you're going to make 1 chain, and then you're going to do a triple into the middle again. So triple into, triple into the middle. 1, 2, 3, then another single chain. Then you're going to do that whole side again, but backwards. So you're going to do 3 doubles and then 3 triples again. So right all into the center here. 1, 1 double, 2 double, 3 doubles, now 3 triples, 1, 2, 3, and now to finish the heart, all you're going to do is make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to finish that heart by just going through the middle of your circle and doing just a slip stitch to finish it off. And now you've got your cute little heart.